Hey Ski-Doo fans, I'm Jonathan, Ski-Doo specialist. Welcome to our tutorial on the new 10.25-inch color touchscreen display with BRP Connect. We know you're excited to learn more about how this new gauge can elevate your riding experience. So let's take a look at what apps and features this awesome new display comes with and what each of the apps offers our riders. Let's start by accessing the app menu. You can think of the menu like the home screen of your phone or desktop. To open it, touch the app menu icon on the bottom right corner of the display. From this menu, you can access all the apps on the display. Note that all the apps except the full gauge view will use the right side of your screen. You can always see your basic riding metrics like speed and RPM on the left side while you're riding. The first app you'll see is the Media app. To listen to music, you must first pair your phone and headset to Bluetooth. No USB connection is needed when playing media. Start a playlist or album on your phone and easily control your songs with the play, pause, next, and previous buttons on the display. And just like that, you've got your own soundtrack for every ride. Next is the Navigation app, also known as BRP Go. You only need two things for the Navigation app to work: the BRP Go app on your phone and a USB cable. You don't even need to pair to Bluetooth. Once connected, you can benefit from all the cool features of the BRP Go app directly on your large touchscreen display. Access official snowmobile trails, find official points of interest, such as gas stations, get turn-by-turn indications, locate your friends in real time on the map, and more. It's a game changer. You can also make and receive calls with the phone app. Like the Media app, you also need to connect your phone and headset to the gauge via Bluetooth. Three options are offered for you to initiate a call: the keypad to dial a specific phone number, your contacts to access your phone's contact list, and recent calls to access a list of your recent calls. Also, if you receive a call while riding, you'll be notified on your display and you'll be able to answer or decline the call. The Vehicle app is your place to view and set up your information. If your vehicle is equipped with Smart Shock suspension, the Vehicle Parameters help you set your suspension mode. The Vehicle Controls allow you to set your heated grip intensity and heat ratio. You can consult your vehicle information maintenance for faults and procedures from the Vehicle Health section. Keep in mind that this app is only available at rest for safety reasons. For those of you who are into the details, you'll love the Drive Stats section. You'll be able to view your distance driven, your average speed, and your trip duration. You can also reset all these parameters for your next ride. Preferences is where you'll configure all of your display parameters and settings. This section is also only available at rest for safety reasons. You have multiple configuration options. Display. This allows you to adjust the appearance. You can adjust the brightness or easily switch from light to dark mode. You can also set it to auto to automatically adjust to ambient light conditions. Bluetooth. This is where you'll pair devices like phone and helmet communication headsets. You can pair headsets for both the driver and passenger. Wi-Fi. This gives riders the ability to connect to a wireless network for over-the-air software updates. This is a really convenient feature. Now you can keep your apps and software up to date right from home without needing a trip to the dealer. General. Set up your preferred units of measurement, language, date, time, and software updates, as well as more. Trail sleds also have the app switcher and ride settings options. These parameters are used to customize the display order of apps and ride settings when pressing on the dedicated buttons of the handlebar control module. Set your favorite apps and ride settings from there for easy access while riding. The Gauge app is the default view to clearly see your basic riding metrics in full view. You can see your speed and RPM gauges at the same time. In the middle of them, you can add an extra gauge by long pressing on the screen. You can display either your Smart Shock suspension mode, your battery voltage, your CVT temperature, or the current altitude level. It's a cool way to keep an eye on these metrics while riding. You can also keep an eye on your fuel level, odometer, and engine temperature. You can even change the type of value shown by the indicators by doing a long press on them. Finally, you can access some basic settings of the display by going through the Quick Preferences, which can only be accessed by pressing the icon on the status bar at the bottom of the screen. Quick Preferences give riders instant access to some of the most commonly used features, such as changing the display appearance, seeing your connected devices and their battery levels, or quickly adding or changing a connected device. You can also lock the screen to avoid accidentally touching it while riding. heavy snow or rain can sometimes trigger an unintended touch. So now you've got the basics of all the apps within the new 10.25-inch display. Thanks for watching. For more useful information and content, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and visit the Owner Zone on the Ski-Doo website. We'll see you on the snow.